Sean here from Minard's Leisure World. We're going to go over the ground control system that lots of people are not well aware of how to get through the system when there's problems. And we're just going to go over the fact, like we're going to imitate the fact that we're unhooking from a vehicle. We're going to go through the auto level system, and then we'll go over some tips to look for and to get away from problems that happen with the system. So at this point, we're going to offload, and we're going to just raise the front. And you got to make sure that the front is above level, or otherwise the auto level doesn't like to work with you. So make sure the front is above level. So now at this point, the rear is blinking. That's saying that we're above the level zone. So now we're just going to hit the auto level, and at this point you don't want to have your trailer open, and you don't want to have anybody in the trailer, due to the fact that there's sensors underneath the trailer that make the trailer level and secure. So at that point, stay away from the trailer and let it do its thing. The rear jacks are grounding, front jacks are already down. So we're just going to waiting for the system to do its thing, and then the center stabilizer jacks will come down, and at that point we'll go over some of the diagnosing. The trailer is level and it is ready to open up and then enter the cabin. We'll also go over ways to auto retract just the rear. Also, auto retracting all is you go into your program here, you just go on your up or down keys, and as you can see, there's auto hitch. At this point, you could hit enter. It will retract the rear jacks and lift the front to where you disconnect at height, as long as that height is above level. If it's below level, auto hitch will not work. It will only go down to the level point. It's just a safety feature that's built into the system. So at that point, if I hit auto hitch and hit enter, as we can see, it is now going to retract only the rear jacks. And when this is complete and the rear jacks are up, the front will lift and be at level for your trailer to be hooked onto your truck. In a case of if you have a code and you're flashing like this is right now, this isn't a code, this is just saying that the rear jacks are up. So now if I want to extend those rear jacks and hold the button, it would extend these jacks down about 6 inches, and then you would hold the retract button after they're down 6 inches, and basically just hold it, and you will see that it overrides it. It says auto retract all jacks, and at that point it will clear the code in order for you to operate your trailer. As you can see now, the red light is gone just by doing that sequence. And just make sure at that point that there's nothing under the trailer, because it is going to fully go down until the jacks are all fully retracted. And this is what is called rehoming the system. So we'll go over how to re-zero calibrate your system here. At this point, you raise your front or retract your front to get the coach level. Once the coach is level, you turn off the unit, you push up on the front 10 times, on the rear 10 times. And I will do this so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it will say zero calibration point. And it says hit enter to set. You hit it. It does a stability check. And it will say successfully set. So now this is your new 0 point. So that way your trailer is level as soon as you push the auto level.